your new book. Do you remember that? Right, we started using this book, Star 2-1, and we did Unit 1. The topic was about animals, right? So we learned some verbs like run, walk, crawl, climb. Do you remember that? Good. Today, our topic is about patterns. Unit 2, patterns. What is a pattern? Okay, it means repeated design. That's right. But before we go on to this pattern, okay, first let's go to act and say. Alright, so this is the first action. Guys, listen and repeat.
Touch your nose.
One more time.
Touch your nose.
Again.
Touch your nose.
Repeat. Touch your nose. Again.
Touch your nose.
Touch your nose. Okay, guys, touch your nose. Alright, next.
Scratch your nose.
One more time.
Scratch your nose.
Scratch your nose. Your turn, guys.
Scratch your nose.
Scratch your nose. Very good. Say this word again. Scratch. What is scratch? That's right. Okay, using a pointed object or like a pencil or your pointing finger, you scratch it, right? Say it again. Scratch. Very good. All right, next.
Pinch your nose.
One more time. Listen.
Pinch your nose.
Pinch your nose. Your turn, guys.
Pinch your nose.
Pinch your nose. This word. Say it for me again. Pinch. One more time. Pinch. What is pinch? Okay, using your thumb and your pointing finger, put some pressure to it, okay? Grasp something using your thumb and your pointing finger like this. Pinch your nose. Okay, say it again.
Pinch your nose.
Pinch your nose. Very good. All right, now let's go to, let's do this one more time really quick, all right? Ready? Start. Touch your nose.
Touch your nose. Scratch your nose.
Scratch your nose.
Pinch your nose.
Pinch your nose. Very good. Now, let's move on to okay, your turn. What is your task here, guys? Change the words, then do and say. So we have here some word helper. What do we have here? Eyes, ears, arms, head, mouth, and your legs. All right, what is your task? Number 1, touch your blank. Touch your, actually you can touch everything right here. Touch your eyes, touch your ears, touch your arms, touch your head, touch your mouth, touch your legs. So you can choose any word in here. They all fit to this line, to this sentence. Touch your blank, all right? Next, scratch your, what can you scratch? You can also scratch everything that's in here, right? Scratch your head, like Rayanne teacher asks you a question and you don't know the answer and you're like, scratch your head, okay? All right, how about the last one? Pinch your blank. What can you pinch? Yes, you can't pinch your eyes like this. Don't do that. But you can pinch your ears. You can pinch your arms, your head. You can't pinch your head. And also don't pinch your mouth and your legs you can, all right? So choose here any word that would fit, okay? Because not everything is possible, okay? Write your answers now, guys. Okay, so are you done? If you're done with that, let's go to Pictionary. Okay, so like what I said, today's topic is about patterns. So we are going to talk about all these kinds of patterns today. Look at the picture, all right? So what Now repeat after the computer.
Dots.
Dots. Again.
Dots.
Dots. Very good. How about the next one? Oh, it's another umbrella. Okay. All right. And you see, there is something. What is this design called? We call it
Handprints.
all right. Listen again.
Handprints.
Now your turn after the computer.
Handprints.
Handprints. Again, guys.
Handprints.
Handprints. All right. Because it is the shape of a hand. So we say handprints. Okay? Next. Oh, look at this bag. It's fashionable. What is this design called? Listen and repeat.
Stripes.
Again.
Stripes.
Now your turn after the computer.
Stripes.
Stripes. Again. Stripes.
Stripes.
Stripes. Okay. I'm sure you know stripes, right? We are talking about these lines, usually in various colors or same colors, producing this kind of lines. This is a stripe, okay? Next. Oh, what is this? This is a raincoat. All right, let's look at the raincoat's design. What is this called?
Flowers.
One more time.
Flowers.
Now your turn.
Flowers.
Flowers. Again.
Flowers.
Flowers. Very good. Next. All right. What is this? Is this also a raincoat? No, it's a coat. That's right. What do you call this pattern? We call it
Checks.
one more time. Listen.
Checks.
Your turn after the computer.
Checks.
Checks. Say it again. Checks.
Checks.
Checks. All right. You can say checks or you can say checkered. All right. Checks or checkered. Next. Oh, what is this called? Right. It's a rain boot. All right. Fashionable rain boot. What is this pattern called?
Stars.
One more time.
Stars.
Okay. Say it again.
Stars.
Stars. One more time.
Stars.
Stars. All right. Now, the next one. Another rain boot. This time, it's not a hand, it's a foot. How do we call it?
Footprints.
All right. One more time.
Footprints.
Again.
Footprints.
Footprints. One more time, guys.
Footprints.
Footprints. Very good. Wow. Look here. Okay. Another rain boot with a really fashionable design. What do we call this? What is this design, guys? It's from a zebra, right? So we call it
Animal prints.
one more time.
Animal prints.
Now after the computer,
Animal prints.
animal prints. Say it again.
Animal prints.
Animal prints. All right. Now, let's do it one more time, real quick. Ready? Start. Dots. Handprints. Handprints. Stripes. Flowers. Checks. Stars. Footprints. Animal prints. That's it. All right, now let's move on to Quiz Me. Okay, what is the instruction, guys? Listen, then check. All right, listen, then check. So let's look here again. What is this print? Dots, checks, animal print, footprint, stripes. So I'm going to say something. If it is here, check it or circle it. Check or circle is okay. All right, let's start. Footprint. Footprint. Is there a footprint here? That's right. It's here. Next. Dots. Dots. Is there a dot pattern here? That's right. Okay. Next, I'll do Okay, very simple task, right? Okay, now let's move on to say plus. Now listen guys, I always tell you that say plus is very important because this is when you practice sentences using the words that we have just learned from the Pictionary. Alright? So what is today's sentence pattern? Repeat after me. It has stripes. Again, it has stripes. Very good. Next, it has dots. One more time. It has dots. It has dots. Alright, what is has? What does it mean has? Okay, it's the singular form of have. Have and has have the same meaning, which means to own or to possess, right? And when do we use have and when do we use has? Alright, so we use have if we have okay, a plural subject. So I have, although I is just one, it's exception to the rule. I, we, you, and then they. I have, we have, you have, they have. But today's pattern is it. So when do we use it? Here. It has, she has, or he has, because these are singular, just one subject, okay? So, let's go to the sentence now. Alright, now we are going to use it because there is no person in here, okay? We can't use he or she. These are all objects. These are all things. That's why we have to use it. Okay, let's take a look at number one. What is this? It's an umbrella. Number two, it's a cap. Number three, it's a t-shirt. Number four, it's a raincoat. Number five, it's an umbrella. Number six, it's a backpack. Number seven, you have to say they are rain boots, but if you want to say rain boot, then you say it's a rain boot, okay? Next, what is this? It's also a cap, or you can say it's a beret. Number 9, it's also a raincoat, all right? And number 10, it's another backpack. All right, now you are going to choose from here, okay? Teacher, why are they the same objects? It's a rainy day, okay? It's a rainy day outside, and you're going to choose which raincoat or which cap or which umbrella to pick here in your cards. All right, so let's see, for example, number 3. So like I said, it's a t-shirt, okay? It is a t-shirt, right? Okay, say it again. It is a t-shirt. What is this pattern? It has stripes. It has stripes. Okay, so these 2 sentences are what we're going to practice today, all right? Let's see another one. Let's try number 6. What is this? It is a backpack. Say it again, guys. It is a backpack. What is the pattern? It has animal prints. It has animal prints. Very good. How about number 8? It is a cap. Say it again. It is a cap. What's the pattern? It has checks. Again, it has checks. Good job. All right. So, if you have time, guys, I hope that you will write those 2 sentences here. Choose at least 5 objects and then write them here at the bottom. So not only you can practice your speaking, but also your writing. Okay. Now, let's go to fun task. I wish that we could do this fun task together, but since we can't, please do it at home, okay? Do it with your sisters or with your younger brother. All right, now this is your t-shirt. What are you gonna do? Decorate your t-shirt, okay? So there is no print in here. Just draw here or and color it or whatever you want to do. Anyway, write or draw any pattern that you want. Stripes, animal prints, flowers, or if you just want to make it simple, dots, okay? This is your own activity at home, okay? And the last but not the least, the step up. Okay, what is your task? Look, then write. Where is this, guys? What's going on here? So this is, right, this is the runway, and there is a fashion show. Right, so there are some people here, they're the audience, and here are the models. Okay, and the models are wearing a certain kind of clothing or their bags. Now right here in the blanks, write in the blanks the name of those printed designs. Like for example, number 1, she's wearing a dress, and what is this print or what is this pattern? Dots, okay? How about here, number 2? Number 2, she's carrying an umbrella. What is this design? Stars. All right. How about number 3? She's wearing a skirt, and this pattern is flowers. And number 5, he's wearing a bag, and what is this print or what is this pattern? Handprint. All right. And number 4, he's wearing a cap which has a check pattern. That's right. After you finish answering this part, move on to the next page, 91. The fashion show. See page 91, then write. So here is the reporter. So the reporter is saying, "Whoa, I love your fashion show. Tell me about your clothes." Okay, tell me about your clothes. So this fashion designer will answer, "Thank you. I use many patterns in my clothes. It is a dress. It has dots." Now your task is to complete these sentences, all right? It is a skirt. It is a cap. It has, based on this page. All right, guys? I think your writing activity today is very easy, right? Okay, so, of course, you always have a homework. What is your homework? This is the writing factory. It's so easy. You have the white book, right? Just write the sentences again, memorize the spelling, okay? And thank you again, guys, for your time today. I will see you really soon. Have a nice day and stay safe. Bye!